everyone, today I will present the result of my research entitled Analysis of Leadership Style in the IGAS Division at PT Tira Austenite Tbk. And first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Lydia Praningrum. I'm from Digital Office Administration Diploma 4 at State University of Jakarta. And I would say thank you to my lecture supervisor, Professor Dr. Henry Ervianto, and Terlina Arvinta Monoarfa, who have guided me resulting in the research of chapter 1 to 3. Next. The topic I will discuss now, there are 3 captures. The first capture explains the background, research question, research objective, and research benefit. And for capture 2, explain literature review and previous studies. Capture 3, explain about research methods, place and time of research, research design, data source, and research samples, data collection techniques, data validity techniques, and data analysis techniques. Okay, first of all, I will explain the background of my research. Over time, leadership has become a very important issue in running various organizations, both in the public, private, and non-profit sectors. In the current era of globalization, leaders are faced with various new challenges and require adaptive and innovative strategies. Implementing a leadership style greatly influences organizational dynamics because performance, motivation, and job satisfaction are influenced by the leadership style plan. And leaders need to adapt their leadership style according to environmental demands and change. However, each leadership style has its own characteristic that can influence organizational culture and individual performance within it. In running an organization, the role of a leader is a very important as a guide in realizing the goals and vision desired by the members of the organization. A leadership style is the behavior that a person uses when that person tries to influence the behavior of other people or subordinates. And there are still many companies that do not realize the importance of leadership style for the creation of companies that thrive in increasingly tight business competition. Following image is pre-research that I have carried out by the company PT Tira Austenite Tbk. And based on the diagram, it states that 84% of respondents state that the leadership style in the company has an influence positive about their work. But the remaining 16% still feel it that the leadership style in this company hasn't yet had its full effect positively toward his work. This statement is also supported by several reasons, which I have summarized into a statement chosen by respondent, which are processed by research, and based on the data in figure 2, it can be stated which are processed by research. The author has processed above. It can be seen that the majority say that the positive influence obtained from the leadership style in this company has an effect on work effectiveness. Apart from that, it can be said that the leadership style in a company influence time effectiveness. However, there are also some who feel the opposite coupled with other influence, namely work stress. And there are also other surveys that exist in pre-research carried out by this research can also be seen in the diagram in the figure 3. And based on this diagram, it can be stated that 96% of respondents state that obstacles often occur when carrying out work, and the remaining 4% still feel that the implementation of this leadership style in this company is quite effective and doesn't cause many obstacles. And based on the result, of data processing in Figure 4, respondent felt that there are still several obstacles, including lack of focus in the work process, limitation in information, and exercising voting right in the work process, and work fatigue. Next, based on the background that I mentioned earlier, there is a formulation of the writing problem, which is as follows. First, what is the leadership style applied at PT Tira Austina Tbk? Second, what is the influence of implementing a leadership style at PT Tira Austina Tbk? And last, what are the factors that influence the leadership styles at PT Tira Austina Tbk? And based on previous research questions, the aim of this research is for identify and analyze the leadership style applied at PT Tira Austina Tbk according to employees' views, analyzing the influence of implementing leadership styles at PT Tira Austina Tbk, and must identify and analyze factors that influence leadership style at PT Tira Austina Tbk. The benefits of this research are divided into two, namely theoretical benefits and practical benefits. The theoretical benefits of this research is to increase insight and knowledge for research, as well as the world of education related to leadership styles. And for practical benefit is for companies, for universities, or for researchers. For companies, the result of this writing can be used as a reference or point of reference in development related to the positive and negative influence that occur in implementing leadership style at PT Tira Austina Tbk. Apart from that, the company also received labor assistance from the research team. And for universities, it is hoped that this research can be used as a new reference to add new knowledge or information regarding leadership styles. Apart from that, it can also be a means to review things given during research. For writers, can add direct work experience and can add new knowledge about the leadership styles that exist in the place where the writer does the writing, and encourages the writer to be more agile, critical, and enthusiastic. And next, the following is a review of the literary used in this research. There is a brief explanation regarding leadership and leadership style. About leadership, judging from the origin of the word leadership comes from the word pimpin, which means to guide or lead. From the word lead comes the verb to lead, which means to guide or lead, and the noun leader, namely person who has a leadership role or a person who guides or demands. According to Prof. Dr. Sondang P. Siagian, has 5 main leadership roles. Leadership as the determinant of direction, a representative and spokesperson for the organization, as an efficient communicator, as a reliable mediator, and effective, rational, objective, and neutral integration. For leadership style, Zaharuddin defined leadership style as the way leaders choose and carry out behavior and methods to influence thought, attitudes, and behavior of subordinate members of an organization. Leaders need to think about the most appropriate leadership style, namely a leadership style that maximizes performance and easily adapts to any situation or condition in the organization. And next, there is an explanation of the factors that influence leadership style. According to Setiana, there are several factors that influence leadership style, namely, first, the leader's personality, past experience, expectation, characteristic, expectation, and behavior of subordinates, task requirement, organizational climate and policies, peer expectation and behavior. And meanwhile, according to Dictors Andres Henry Arianto, MM, and Marsoviati, factors that influence leadership style are divided into two, namely internal factor and external factor. Internal factor that the influence leadership style include perception of leadership, perception of human values, how to gain power and experience in leading, and meanwhile, external factor that influence leadership style include the state of the group being led, a situation or task that must be done. Next, there is an indicator of leadership. Leadership style is related to the character of leadership and his personality, and therefore everyone's leadership style is not always the same. Therefore, to understand a person's leadership type, it can be determined based on indicator. The following are leadership indicators according to Dr. Anders Hendrianto and Marsoviati is leader perception of his role as leader, the value exposed, attitude, behavior, and leadership style. And this type of leadership styles. First, authoritarian or autocratic, delegative, democratic, transformational, and transactional. In authoritarian leadership style, the leader is described as someone who has complete authority over everything that happens in the group. This autocratic leadership style emphasizes achieving results without paying attention to employees or subordinates. Delegative is characteristic by the leader rarely providing direct direction, handing over decision to subordinates, and the expectation that organizational members are able to solve their own problems. According to Avandana, democratic leadership is a style in which leaders give their employees significant authority in carrying out their duties. Democratic leaders actively involve other people in the decision-making process, listen to employees' views, and provide direction to resolve problems. Transformational emphasizes the importance of a leader to inspire his subordinates to accept their expectation and carry out their responsibilities. And last, transactional, leaders provide incentive to employees as a form of appreciation for achieving predetermined goals and expectations. This incentive can be in the form of salary increase, promotion, assignment of new responsibilities, and the like. And this, the influence of leadership style. According to several experts, leadership is an organizational context indicate the existence of individuals who have the capacity to influence, direct, and guide other people. Likewise, there are also those who are active in trying to influence other people's behavior so that is aligned with the wish of their superiors or leaders. Thus, leadership can be understood as the ability to influence subordinates so that cooperation occurs within the group to achieve organizational goals. And the success of company basically depends on its effective leadership, where the leader's ability to influence his subordinates will increase their motivation to participate in achieving common goals. Following is previous research which more or less serves as a reference during this research. The company applies 3 leadership styles: charismatic, transactional, and transformational. Therefore, this company applies an authoritarian leadership style which shows that the way a person is led directly impacts his level of work motivation. And democratic leadership style at PT Nusa 5, Kelola Sarana, improve employee performance through involvement in training, monitoring takes time, and developing individual abilities. The significant positive influence of leadership style on employees' performance implies that the better the leadership style, the better the employee performance it produces. And next, a number of leadership research describe Lee Kuan Yew's leadership style as authoritarian and dictatorial, but he is also considered a charismatic and transformational leader. And the research found that Sugiwara village had used a semi-transformational democratic leadership style, and directive, supportive, and achievement-oriented leadership style simultaneously influence employee performance. No leadership model is considered superior, as per skill, different situations require different leadership approach. Employee trust has a positive impact on a leadership pattern, indicating that the greater the trust, the better the leadership pattern. And last, the finding of this review indicate a strong positive relationship between transformational leadership and nurse job certification. Next, I will discuss about research methods. This research was conducted at PT Tira Ausana Tbk from July 2023 to April 2024. The research design was a qualitative descriptive research method using case studies, and data sources were taken through observation, interview, and questionnaires with informant, and using purposive sampling, namely using certain criteria. And for data collection technique, research use observation techniques, interviews, and also literature review. And to test the validity, research use credibility test, transferability test, dependability test. And last but not least, data analysis technique. The research use four steps, namely data collection, data reduction, data presentation, and conclusion or verification. Well, that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Bye.